If you've been feeling tight, braced, or stuck in your body today, this 5-minute standing practice will help you settle your system, reconnect with your breath, and find steadiness again. Let's begin standing with your feet hip-width distance apart. Let your weight drop down into the floor as you take a slow inhale and a soft exhale through your nose. This is Ujjayi breathing. Let the breath brush the back of the throat like a quiet ocean when you're inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose. Feel the belly loosen and the shoulders soften. On your next inhale, sweep the arms up halfway and exhale to lower them, moving slowly for 3 rounds. Letting the breath guide the movement. Let us begin. Step your feet wide into a gentle goddess pose. Bend the knees slightly and keeping the spine tall. Feel the pelvis heavy and the ribs soften as you take these slow breaths, noticing steadiness in your legs. We're taking those Ujjayi breaths in and out through the nose. Now strengthen the legs and shift to a crossbody pattern while you're doing the Ujjayi breath. So you're going to reach your right arm up as the left heel lifts. On the inhale, exhale, switch to the other side. Inhale, left arm goes up, right heel goes up. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Let your spine stay quiet while the limbs explore. One more on each side. Return to standing with feet under your hips and take 3 rounds of soft Ujjayi breath. Let the exhale lengthen you from the inside. Finish by standing tall, eyes soft, and notice any warmth, grounding, or ease that arrives. So let's do those 3 breaths. Ujjayi draws awareness inward, quieting the mind and supporting devotional focus. Hopefully you enjoyed this Ujjayi breath exercise. Please watch my channel for more, or if you'd like to join me on an online class, the link is in my bio to my online classes. It's been great having you here. Namaste. Thank you.